What it means to be best at getting better is continuous improvement every day. And it comes with a framework for operational efficiency. In Hearthside, we have a Hearthside performance system. It is the same system and framework across all of our manufacturing footprint. And it starts with daily direction setting, with measuring of KPIs, with an enterprise performance management system. And it allows us every day to understand our efficiency, where we're getting better, where we need to put more focus, more continuous improvement focus, and what those tools might be to help improve manufacturing on an operational basis. It may include some process controls. It may include inline testing and operations for us to improve what our operator sees and how they meet sort of the exacting standards of our customers on all of our lines across our footprint.